Is your Google TV not showing any Wi-Fi networks? This usually happens because of router signal issues, incorrect network settings, or temporary system glitches. Here are the 3 best solutions to fix it fast. Solution 1. Restart Google TV and router. Most of the time, the connection issue is temporary. Restart your Google TV by powering it off completely. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router, then plug it back on for 30 seconds. Wait a bit and plug it back in and reconnect. This quick reset often fixes the issue instantly. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to the Google TV home menu. Use your remote to navigate to the gear icon. Click OK on your remote to open settings. Now go to Network and Internet, selecting your Wi-Fi from here and scroll down to the bottom of its setting. Choose Forget Network and confirm your choice. After that, go back to Network and Internet, find your Wi-Fi again, then re-enter your Wi-Fi password and connect again. See if that fixes the problem or not. Solution 3. Factory Reset. If nothing else works, you can reset your Google TV back to factory settings. To do this, go back to Settings. Scroll down to Device Preferences and open it. Now, select and open About. Go to Factory Reset from here. Now, you will need to select Factory Reset from here again and confirm your choice. After that, you can wait for the process to finish. But let me warn you that a factory reset will erase all your apps, accounts, and settings, bringing your Google TV back to how it was on day 1. You'll need to set it up from scratch. If this helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google fixes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.